I'm going to do a Porta Potty review here on this construction site. Looks like they're redoing the parking lot here. Got some heavy-duty equipment at the Eastern Regional Access here at Emerald Isle Beach, North Carolina. This is where you can go to park your car and access the beach. Looks like they're doing a lot of construction here. Torn out the road. And with construction, there's a porta potty. This one's a down east portable sanitation. Let's go inside to check it out. Ugh, didn't smell good in here. We have a urinal. You can actually smell it from outside. And we have a soap dispenser. We got our vents up here. We got our vent pipe here a little bit differently than some of the others you see. Got our vents all the way around here. Toilet looks like it's a mess. And it smells bad. Got a little bit of graffiti here. I don't know if you can see this. A couple of rolls of toilet paper. Got a handle here. Keep people from invading you as you're sitting on the toilet. Looks like it was last cleaned maybe December 21st. Today's December 28th. We have graffiti. We have something crossed out with mama on it. And there's some more graffiti. Let's take a look on the outside here. Ugh, it smells bad. Sitting on skids. A little bashed in on the side here. Got your vent pipe up here. A little bashed in on this side too. A little bashed in on that side. Looks like we got a new electrical pole going in, maybe for this construction. So overall, I'll give this kind of a mediocre rating. It's not dirty inside, it just smells bad.